In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a template folder in Hubspot. If you're looking to organize your templates and streamline your workflow, this quick guide will help. First, open your browser and head to the Hubspot website. If you're not logged in, click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials. Once inside, you'll land on your Hubspot dashboard. Next, go to the main navigation bar and click on either Marketing or Sales, depending on where your templates are stored. From the dropdown, select Templates. This will take you to your full template library. Now, choose any template you'd like to organize. At the top of the template details, you'll see a label that usually says No Folder. And click on it and you'll get the option to create or manage folders. Type in a clear name for your new folder, like Welcome Emails or Promotions, then save it. Your template will instantly move into that folder, and you can repeat the process for other templates as well. And that's it. You've created your first template folder in Hubspot. Keeping your templates organized will save you time and make your work much more efficient.